Next up are tools of the trade for Artisan. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. In this we need to retrieve the tools and bring them back. Right, so for tools of the trade we'll need to head into our town and to the construction site over here. Right next to it you'll find a little house with the tools on top of a table. So near the center of the town, let's get there. Alright, so making our way into the town, we should be able to follow this road until we eventually reach where we need to go. Eventually making the way down this road, we'll eventually find this huge building here, and right next to this construction site, you'll see this smaller building here. This is what we need to head to. So heading into this building here, we'll open the door, and inside, or on the back, you should find this table, and on it, this little toolbox here, Artisan's Toolbox. Once you grab this 2x2 item, take it back to base, and you're done. If you go down, you won't be able to pick up this item. It is a usual quest item, so you'll need to come back here if you happen to lose it. Now that we're back, we can hand in the tools to Artisan, and once we've done that, we can complete the mission. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.